Good morning. After days and days of rain, the sun has come out ready for my ride. I'm going over to Peterborough today to see Tracy Trike. Can't wait to come see you. And then I'll be heading further west to go ride to the wall on Saturday. Oh, I think I'm going to be a bit hot now today. Got all my waterproofs, armoured gear on. I'm just going to stick with that because otherwise I've got to unpack all my case again. Well, my little bag that goes in my pannier anyway. No room for a case on top of a bumblebee. Although I have managed to strap my walker on with rock straps and bungees. Oh, I think it's gonna be okay. This could cause some adventure, this tour, couldn't it? This is why I need my new boots. Yesterday the road was covered. Hello from a very wet and windy England. I am getting ready to ride to the wall this weekend, and although I am loving my armoured waterproof gear, worth every penny, if you watch my Saltspurt vlog, you will know that my touring waterproof boots gave up the ghost in Europe. So, being it's been summer, I think it was somewhere, I've just been riding my summer boots and my waterproof little boots, but with this deluge of rain we've had, oh my goodness, I get soaked. My feet are soaked just going out of my drive. So I had a little look on Facebook, so I thought I need me some full length touring boots on a budget. And I've just been out for a lovely little ride. Met a lovely guy called Jamie, his partner. I'm sorry I didn't get your name. Had a little chat, because you know what I'm like. I do like to have a little chat. And bagged myself a little bargain. So hopefully I'll have dry tootsies this tour.
Stay tuned for riding footage of Norfolk, Suffolk, Cambridgeshire and Huntingdonshire, and I even stumble over a little statue, quite a big statue actually, of Oliver Cromwell. Can you guess where it is?
At the moment, and I keep thinking, oh, I should check my tyre pressure, but I'm sure they did it the other day at the service. I think it's just because we've had so much rain and the autumn leaves and conkers, just having to take it quite easy today. When you start looking around to see where you can stop for coffee rather than concentrating on the traffic around you, it's definitely time to stop, have a little break, get your concentration back on focus. I could have stopped 10 minutes ago, but it wasn't a Starbucks, so I'm a Starbucks snob. Wow, look at that. No dramas yet. I know I've probably spoken too soon, but panniers are all still on. My top box is gone, I lost the lid, so oh, so far so good. Making really good time, and still I've come along the A11 instead of the A14, which is great. It's loads better, not as many lorries, not as fast, and just nicer scenery. I mean, what's not nice driving through or riding through Thetford Forest? just come for a little trip into St.Ives. We've had some coffee and cake, now we're going to have a little walk around. And this is where we went, Tom's Cafe. Big gluten and dairy free options. And vegan options as well. Another sugar reset, but at least it wasn't a binge. Well, I wonder what this statue was, and it is actually Oliver Cromwell. He was from Huntingdon, just up the road. The water's so high at the moment, this boat can't get through. Yeah, look, when you see the chairs, look, benches. Oh, yeah. Had a little bit of rain. I like to see like these sort of things on walls, and but then just a plain wall.
Yeah, I do as well.
Tracy knows me well. Look, this is where we're going. This looks like an open air boutique market. Look. Oh. Look at that tree. Wow.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Phone down now. Go explore. Crazy plant lady. I'm just crazy. Just a crazy lady. It's not about the plants.